Hello, social media. This is your girl, Keisha Murray, Wellness Lady Keisha, coming back for part 2 of the preparation of our Tel del Gaza tea. Okay, as you can see, our CEO and his wonderful wife here in the middle, they were able to give us each a sample of the Tel del Gaza tea this weekend. So on part 1, you saw me brewing the tea bag in 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water, that equals 1 quart. And then what you do after the brew, you're gonna add that to 3 quarts of water in a gallon container on the left with the red top. The one with the white top is a little more than a half a gallon. I stretched it because I have some presentations to do next week, and the tea is so strong, they recommend that you could use the tea bag more than once. So that's why you see 2 containers here. And also I use alkaline water, and with alkaline water, most people prefer using a glass container. Okay, and then we also only recommend using 8 ounces of the tea when you're first starting out, but you could use up to 16, 18 ounces per day. But I would advise moving slow with this tea because it is powerful, it is strong, and it's very nutritious. So enjoy, stay tuned, and we will give more updates as we go along. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.